are you going to do about it? What are you offering me? I am offering you the same thing I offered you as a kid. Everything.
She's dancing. What's she doing, baby?
It's up to you. You gotta give me something that I can use to help you, where there's nothing I can do. I will walk away. Help me.
You see yourself in the window, in the glass. Yeah, you see yourself in the glass. Come on, up you come. Up, step up. Good girl. Come on. That's it. Yes, you're a good boy. There you go, Rambo.
The DA is still waffling, but he has indicated that he is willing to allow Hector Santiago's testimony as eyewitness testimony as long as it is corroborated by Nona Palmieres.
Or you don't have to ask for it. Was that coercion?
Yes. She was attacked in prison on Los Lourdes orders. We flipped her this morning in the hospital.
And the kid?
There was evidence to suggest that one of the lead detectives on the case had engaged in or allowed to occur some physical abuse of the suspect. As soon as it was brought to my attention, he and his partner were removed from the case and placed on modified assignment.
So is this clean in the NYPD sense? Clean in the larger sense?
Both. There's one other thing. I don't usually go in for theatrics.